Today we're going to make a gluten-free pasta. Well, it'll be the same method as a regular pasta. Just come up with a new flour that you can easily make regular pasta without too many modifications or none at all. First we take our 2 cups of gluten-free flour. This is nice because it doesn't have a whole bunch, it doesn't have any cornstarch or too really bad flours. It's no fillers. First we take our pasta, do it old school like in culinary school. Take 2 eggs, plop it in the middle there, throw that in, give or take. Oops, hole got too big, not big enough. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Oops. About half a teaspoon of salt and then we'll mix that together. You can do this in a mixer with a hook, but sometimes it's just good to get your fingers in it. And plus, gluten-free flour isn't always user-friendly to the blender because it's usually too sticky. But this works fine. And this will work with regular flour too, this recipe. And I'm going to put a little water, needs more. With gluten-free flour too, you need to, it's not always an exact science. Sometimes it takes a little bit of water, sometimes it takes a whole bunch of water. It's all about the food sciences. Okay, so now that I have it mixed, it's kind of soft, but see how it falls apart like that? It just means you need it more. Gluten-free flour is finicky, and we try to use science to make it work like regular flour. The good part about it is we can roll it out right away because you don't have to worry about the gluten toughening, making it tough. So, I think, looking at it, get the ball. Looks like a nice, supple ball. So now, I'm going to take that, clean the board off now, little bits. That, more flour, lots of flour. And this new mix that came up is nice because usually at this point it would be all over your gloves and a pain. This flour has been great. I've used it for making croissants. I've made it for cakes, breads. The kids love it as a pasta. It's probably somewhere between a 16th, a little over a 16th. I'm just going to take a pizza roller, and cut some strips, any size. I do have pasta cutters, but the kids seem to like it like this. I'm just going to make it a bit shorter. I'm going to take this. That. Look at that. It doesn't even fall apart like it usually if you try to make it normally. Oops. And then you just put it in boiling water for about 3 minutes, maybe 4, depends on how thick you roll it. Gluten-free pasta does take a little bit longer than regular pasta when it's fresh, but the results should be good. And after you know that it's done, out, and then now that it's ready, simple garnish here. There's a little olive oil. Let's see, here's a tomato right out of the garden. Oh, I need to sharpen my knives. Tomato on, and how about basil, and what the kids really love, truffle salt from Sonoma Spice Queen. Makes it really fancy. It tastes real good. Okay. And there you go. It's simple, it's fun, it's clean food, and the kids love help making it, and it actually takes less time to make it than it does to go to the grocery store. Thanks for watching, and thank you to Art Squirrel 007 for making this video.